to double your crypto is very simple if you have an amazing system. And that's what we're setting up right now. In our last video, we created the 3 pages for the free members of LeadsLeap. If you are a paid member, then jump ahead to the other videos that you'll find in the description for the paid members. This video and this setup is for the free members of LeadsLeap. As I said in the last video, we set up the 3 pages. If you haven't done that, please go back to that video, because what we're going to do now will not be possible unless you've done those 3 pages. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to link the 3 pages together so that your prospective members can go from one page to the next page. So head on over to LeadsLeap and make sure that you are logged in. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will see a black dashboard area, and we need to scroll down until you find the page builder, where my cursor is right now, hovering over page builder, page manager. Click on page manager, and a new page, the page manager, will open. You will see double your crypto page 3 of 3, double your crypto page 2 of 3, and double your crypto page 103. Now we're going to do a little bit of editing, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So first of all, this is step number 19 in the setup guide that accompanies these video series. Step number 19, in the page builder, go to double your crypto page 3 of 3. So that's here. At the top of the page, at the top of the box for this page, you will see the page ID followed by the page name. So here is the page ID. Okay, there's the name. Underneath that, you will see a link. And to right of the link, you will see a button that says copy. Now, in the free members area, there will only be one link here. So that's the link we're talking about. I'm in the paid members area. I have 2 links. But in the free members area, there will be 1 link. On the right-hand side of that link, you will see a little copy button. So click on that button where my cursor is right now that says copy, and you will copy the URL to the left. So we've copied the link by clicking on the little button. Next, we need to scroll down to the double your crypto page 2 of 3. And on the right-hand side of that box, you will see it says Launch Editor. Click on Launch Editor where my cursor is right now. A new page will open, which is page 2. And if you wait just a little while, just a few seconds, that link will pop up. You see at the bottom of the page, it says, yes, I want to double my crypto. So click on that, and you will see on the right-hand side of the page, a new little box opens up. And that's the box we're going to be working in. So now go back to the yes, I want to double my crypto. You click on it twice. And on the right-hand side, you will see where it says text, edit, and appearance. Beneath that, you will see the hyperlink. So it's to the left of the little smiley face. You will see the hyperlink icon. We're going to click on that. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say to highlight this. So highlight the yes, I want to double my crypto. Click on the hyperlink icon. And here you will see a link that we need to edit. So paste in your new link. that you just copied from page 3 of 3. Make sure it says open in a new tab and then click update. And something very important, click save. Up in the top right-hand corner, there's a little blue button that says click save. You click save, it's processing. And the work is saved. So click on the OK. And you can now close this window. So congrats. What you've done now is you've taken the link from Double Your Crypto page 3 of 3, and you've added it to the editor of page 2 of 3. Now what we're going to do, and this is step number 26 in the Getting Started guide. Again, in the page builder, find the section for the page 2 of 3, which is where we're at right now. And you'll see one link in the free members area, and copy the link for page 2 of 3. Now scroll down until you see Double Your Crypto page 1 of 3, which is where we are right now. And then click again on Launch Editor. A new page will open. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see it says, yes, I want in. There's a red button where my cursor is right now. It says, yes, I want in. Click on the yes, I want in. A new window will open up on the right-hand side, and you will see where it says go to open. And there is a URL there. Highlight the URL and paste in the URL you have just copied. Like that. Okay, and then don't forget, you absolutely must click on save. Now, click on work saved, click on OK. You can now close this page. And congratulations, you have now linked page 3 to page 2 and page 2 to page 1. So when people click on the link, your members, your prospective members click on the links, it will take them naturally from one page to the next. Now, the next part of this is super, super important. So please pay very good attention to this, because if you don't do this correctly, any members that you ask to visit the page, when they join, they will not be linked to you as an affiliate if you don't do this correctly. So please watch this video very, very carefully and make sure you get it right. So log into your infinitytrafficboost.com website. You will see a dashboard that looks just like this, very similar. And on the right-hand side, underneath affiliate, you will see your affiliate link, where my cursor is right now. Now, do not use my affiliate link. Use your affiliate link. Click on it, and it will be copied. Super, super, super important that you do that correctly. Now, this is step 31 in the Getting Started guide. Go back to LeadsLeap and scroll up until you find Double Your Crypto page 3 of 3. Click on the launch editor. A page will open. It says, welcome to the Infinity Traffic Boost Double Your Crypto series system. Scroll down a little until you see the join here text. Double click on it and highlight it. And over on the right-hand side, to the left of the little smiley face, you will see a hyperlink. If you click on that, a window will open and you need to paste in your affiliate link just there. Make sure it's open in a new tab. Click on update and don't forget to click on save. Okay, the work is saved. Click OK. You can now close this page. And congratulations, you've probably done the hardest part of this whole system. Today in this video, you linked your three pages, and you added in your affiliate link. The last thing we do now is we need to test each of the pages. So if you go to Double Your Crypto page 1 of 3, and you right click on the link and open in a new tab, you will see the Double Your Crypto page. And congratulations if you've done this correctly. Now, in 1 minute, so you will need to wait 1 minute. In 1 minute, the Yes, I Want In button will appear. So I will pause the video and I will come back when it shows, so I don't have to waste your time. So the Yes, I Want In button has appeared. And just so you understand what's going on here, if you or your prospective member click on this button, a video will open, which will be the intro from Clinton. Okay, so after 1 minute, this button will appear, and then your prospective member clicks on that, and it will take them to page 2. You remember you linked page 2. And there's another video here, which is the full presentation. It's 12 minutes long. Again, a presentation from Clinton, the co-founder of ITB. In 10 minutes, remember the video is 12 minutes long. In 10 minutes, a link will appear here. So I will pause the video and I will come back to you in 10 minutes. So I waited the 10 minutes, and here across the bottom of the page, you'll see it says, yes, I want to double my crypto. If you click on that, another page will open, which is the welcome to the Infinity Traffic Boost Double Your Crypto system. And if you scroll down, you'll see the Join Here button. If you click on that, it should take you to the Infinity Traffic Boost page. And if you look at the URL at the top of the page, you should see your affiliate link here. If you have done that correctly, then congratulations, you have set everything up perfectly. And now what you can do is you can take the link for page 1. If we go back to the editor, let me just get here. If you go back to page 1 and take this link and start promoting it to all of your prospective members, that's the whole idea of this project. You can use warm market, cold market, any market you want. We will provide training on all of this. But for now, if you have everything set up correctly, congratulations, you're ready to go. You're ready to rock and roll and start to double your crypto.